Hey guys, let's see how to install a Tapo solar camera. This is a solar powered security camera kit. Here's the brand Tapo and the model C402 kit, right? So super simple, have everything here out of the box. Let me just move the camera so you see better. Here we go. There's the camera with the template for the installation. It comes with accessories for installation as well. You see here and here as well. This one is to avoid water getting inside the camera. Here an extension cable if you're installing the camera in a different location of the solar panel. If they're far away, you can use this extension, okay? Here's a cable to charge. And then here anchors and screws as well. And you have here accessories like the mount for installation. If you're installing the camera in a different location, install this far away from the solar panel mount. Okay, some tie wrap as well, so you can connect the cables and you can just organize everything. And here also a cover if you're installing the camera in a different location from the panel, then you can use this one as a cover here, right? So super simple. You see here that I have this panel attached to the mount already, and I'm gonna install like this. If you see here, I'm gonna put that way, right? And then here I'm gonna put the other support or mount for the camera, just like so, in this position here. And the camera is going to be installed just right here, right? Or if I'm installing the camera separated from the mount for the solar panel, I just put it that way, right? So super simple. And remember here, it comes separated away. You just need to put this into place. And here you can tighten it up the way you want. Just adjust the angle here and you're good to go, right? Let me just separate this one so I can install the mount first. So you see how it works. Basically just remove it from here. And then I have the mount. And here I can just use the template. You see here that I have a template for one mount and I have another one for this one, okay? So I can just drill the holes here. Or I can use something like this as well to mark the location if I want to. I can mark that way as well. All right, super simple. It's up to you the way you want to do. And you're good to go. So now I just get a tool to drill the holes, and there we go. And then you put the screws in place. There we go, I have the mount in place. Now it's time to just bring the panel back. So the solar panel just go here and you just adjust and tighten it up, right? There we go, just adjust the position as best as you can to get some light here. And that cable is going to connect to the camera, right? Let me just move this in a different position here, so I can get sunlight that way, right? The sun is coming here, hitting the solar panel, and I gotta get good sunlight here, that way. Now I can get the mount for the camera, just install it here. See that I have two holes for the camera mount. So I just put that way and install it like so. There we go, I have the mount in place. Now it's time to install the camera. Okay, you have this accessory as well. You're just going to connect here to your camera and install it here, right? Super simple. There we go, you just need to adjust and tighten it up and you're good to go. Okay, and you have your camera in place. Now it's time just to connect the cable. You just come here on the back of the camera and connect it. Just don't forget to use this accessory. It's just to protect the camera so no water get inside. So super simple. Or you can put directly here first and then you connect the cable, okay? I'm gonna put here on the camera first and then I connect the cable. There we go, the cable is now connected and then the solar panel is going to charge the camera. Remember to charge the camera first using the cable that comes with the camera, this one, right? And later the solar panel is going to do the job to keep the camera charged. Now you're ready to go. It's time for the setup if you didn't set up your camera yet. Okay, the setup is super simple. You see here that the camera is flashing red and green, so the camera is ready to go. So you just need to bring the app. Here, just go to your store and look for Tapo camera and get this one, TP-Link Tapo, okay? So that's the one to go. I already have here. And the first time that you install the app, you just need to create an account, log into your account, and you're good to go. You see that I have some Tapo cameras here, so I just need to add a new one. I just come here to this signal here, the plus signal, right? I just tap on it and add a new device. There we go. I just need to look for my camera. I'm looking for an outdoor camera. In here, I just go down until I find C402. That's the one. In here, I have already flashing red and green, so I'm good to go. Just tap on it, wait for it to connect. I just need to join the Tapo Cam BC4C, right? So basically, my Wi-Fi needs to connect to the camera, not to the router, but the camera itself. So I need to find the camera signal here. So I just hit join here, but I just need to come here to my cell phone, to the Wi-Fi, and make sure that I have it connected to the Tapo Cam BC4C. See here? It got connected to the Wi-Fi signal. It's not my router, it's the camera signal. So I just need to come back here and continue with the setup, right? There we go. It's searching for the camera. I just need to keep trying Wi-Fi here because it's looking for internet. I don't need internet at this time, right? So just keep trying Wi-Fi. It found my camera and now I'm using the Wi-Fi from my router. There we go. That's my Wi-Fi -24 and my temp path just for the installation here for the tests. And this is the information that the camera is going to get to connect to the router, right? My cell phone gives the camera the information and later the camera connects directly to the router. So I just need to hit next here, next again, wait for it to connect.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
You see that I got the message, Wi-Fi connected. And I just observed the LED here. It's going to change color and I see here, you see here that it's connected. That I can just name my camera, right? You see that becomes green now, so it's good to go. I just hit next, select a location, select an icon here for the camera, anyone that I want. I would just put this one here, next, wait for it to connect and finish, right? So it's complete. Pretty good, right? Next again, dismiss here for 30-day free trial and just keep hitting next until it finishes, right? Next here again, or maybe later Wi-Fi backup. Maybe later for this one. Then you just need to set up the storage. You need to insert an SD card into the camera, format the SD card, and you're good to go. So super simple. That's the next step. And firmware update is going, the camera is going to update the firmware by itself at 3 a.m. Got it, and I'm good to go, okay? Some information here to put the covers and everything else. You can't just use this one here, for example. You see that I have some covers here. You can just put this one here and the other one just right here. Make sure you use all the accessories. And you're good to go. Just hit next, next again, and here's some information about the installation, the angles that you need to use your camera. So super simple. Just take a look at everything here, and you're good to go, okay? Super simple. More information here. Next again, and I hit here, charge now, mounting later, because I'm already mounting and just need to exit the menu here. Then I can come to the camera and here to the setup. And here I can just come to the storage and recording. And as long as I have my SD card, I can just format the SD card here. Right now it's not there, so I got an error here. So I just need to insert the SD card there, format it, and I'm good to go. The camera starts recording, okay? So super, super simple. Basically that's the way you can install and set up your Tapo solar camera, okay? I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.